Hello all. Today I will show you how to create a Chrome extension that can help us summarize the product reviews into negative pointers and positive pointers. This will be helpful because if we look into any product related reviews, there could be thousands of reviews. So, and there can be overlapping positives and negatives as well across all the reviews. So in order to save a lot of time, we can ask the extension to summarize the positive and negative reviews on a open web page. Surprisingly, this doesn't require any coding knowledge. We don't have to even code a single line of programming here. All that we can do is we can ask ChatGPT to help us uh, to create a prompt for the cursor so that we'll tell cursor what to build and cursor then will help us build this. So let us see how to do this. So here I asked ChatGPT to create a prompt for me so that a plugin will be created which will read reviews on opened web page and then summarizes into positives and negative points in the reviews. And I further improved it to include Gemini to classify and summarize positive and negative reviews. And then I asked it to create it not for Internet Explorer, but for Chrome. Then it created me a beautiful prompt where the prompt includes the role of the chat agent or like Gemini, if I'm building through Gemini in Cursor, and what are the requirements and what should be the outcomes. So this is where the beauty of ChatGPT comes. So otherwise, we could have taken a lot of time in creating this, all the list of requirements. So once this prompt is given to me, I just copy this prompt from here. I go to Cursor and I entered the prompt here. You can see it. So once I entered this prompt, then what Cursor did is it has processed the prompt and it has guided me to create this application in my system. So how it guided? It asked me to create, what are the files to add? So this is where my only effort requires. I just have to create these 4 files in the current folder. Then after that, Cursor will go on and create the content of each of the files. I just have to click on this apply changes so that all of these contents are moved to so and so files, the specific given files. So once all the files are updated with the respective content, then the cursor is helping me with how can I test this application. So it even created a sample.html file for me. And then it helped me like how to configure the extension. And then it asked me to, if I want to use Gemini API key, where to place it. And then it also asked me like, how can I test it? So as it guided, I opened a sample web page. You can see that the extension is already visible here. So once I clicked on this, so it processes the shown sample reviews here, and then it showed the positive pointers and negative pointers here, and even neutral and mixed feedback. So this is all that is required. As if you have witnessed, I did not even code a single line of programming language. I just drag and drop the stuff, and Cursor has done everything. Isn't it so beautiful? There you go. When I clicked on the summarize reviews, it has processed and then created the negatives and points. Thank you.